Hey, Charm Squad. How is everybody doing today? So, with Madame Glam's beautiful Amour Tints, you know I had to bring you something delicious. I am serving up to you today something you may have never heard before: Valentine's Candy Corn Realness. So, using Loyal, Love's Veil, and Berry Blush, plus Madame Glam's ombre brush, we are going to ombre this candy corn fantasy for the gods. Now, a lot of you probably think, what are you talking about? Candy corns for Halloween. Well, I've reinvented it, and now it is also for Valentine's. I just couldn't get over how much this ombre resembled candy corn, and it's just so stinking delicious. So I quickly grabbed these gorgeous iridescent hearts, and in certain areas I did pinch it with the tweezers so that it could fall flat and flush on the nail. And so we did not have to do any buffing or any of that faffing. So the only thing I'm encapsulating this design with is base coat. So this is a no faff design. We do not have to buff this. We don't have to do any of that. But I did do thin 3 coats of base coat because this design required 3 different layers. Now, I was so impressed with the fact because generally with encapsulation, there is a lot of buffing and you usually start off with a clear base, but I wanted to make sure the background of Amour Tints shone through, and I can't get over with a velvet matte top coat how gorgeous she is. But we have to do some white accents with Madame Glam's white UV gel paint. I am obsessed. The little light accents, if you did a full set, you could add clouds. It is just so stinking adorable. So may I ask you, who among you will try this Valentine's candy corn design? Tag me, 'cause I am dying to see all the magic.